Hello artists, here is Miss Dolores. Today I want to introduce something that maybe you haven't used before. Oil pastels. Oil pastels look a lot like crayons. There are different brands, different qualities and different prices. Some of them are especially created for beginners and they are pretty cheap. You don't get oil pastels in regular stores like the 99-cent stores or those big market stores. You get them in stores that sell art and craft supplies. Sometimes in office supply stores you may be able to get them if they have a good art section. If you have oil pastels or you can get them, I recommend them. If you cannot, don't worry. You can use crayons or color pencils. I will place the oil pastels in this tray while I am working. It's easier. I have a paper towel or a napkin and you will see why in a second. This is a construction paper. Any color works. I start with an outline. My yellow is dirty, so I clean it on my paper towel by making some marks. Now it's clean. Oil pastels are soft. That makes them really nice. But if you press too hard, they can easily break. But it's not a big deal. It happens to me all the time, but if it keeps breaking, you end up with pieces too small to work with. The nice thing about them is that you can really cover the paper with color, a little bit like painting. They are called oil pastels because they have oil in them. You know, like the oil you put in salads. Not the same kind though. You can get the color to be vibrant and full by applying few layers. You start in one direction, another direction, and another direction. Look how vibrant this orange is. Or this red, beautiful. Do you notice you cannot see the pink paper through? Now, the best thing about oil pastels, they mix. We say we are blending the colors to get a new color. This color has pink and yellow, and a bit of green from the green next to it. So, if you can get oil pastels, try to blend them. That's when the real fun begins. You can blend many colors into a new one. If you add white, what happens? The color gets lighter. I like to use the black at the end to add details and lines. When I am done, I gently remove the loose pieces of oil pastels. You can get crayons in many stores, and they are pretty cheap. And they will work too. They are not as soft as the oil pastels, they don't break as easily, and the colors are not as bright. You will have to work a little harder to get the color to fully cover the paper. You need to add more layers. And they don't blend as well as the oil pastels do. Color pencils can work too, but like the crayons, you will have to work harder to get the colors to fill your shapes, and the colors are not as intense. You definitely have to be patient here. What is something that takes practice. You may get tired or bored. The colors kind of blend too. Again, not as well as with the oil pastels, but it's doable. you can see, I was able to draw the same thing with oil pastels, crayons, and color pencils. You can also see the difference. You may realize that you enjoy working with one of them better than the others. When you use oil pastels or crayons or color pencils, think about color. Blending the colors, covering the paper with layers of color. Don't use just lines. Don't get me wrong, lines are great, but practice covering the paper with color, like cream. Again. And remember, I am an artist.